To make a Wix website look professional, start by choosing a template that aligns with your brand and industry. Wix offers a wide range of templates to choose from, so select one that is clean, modern, and easy to navigate. Customize the template by adding your own content, images, and branding elements. Next, focus on creating a clear and concise navigation menu. This should include links to the main pages of your website, such as Home, About, Services, and Contact. Use a simple and intuitive menu structure to make it easy for visitors to find what they are looking for. Use high-quality images and graphics to enhance the visual appeal of your website. Wix has a built-in image editor that allows you to resize, crop, and edit your images directly on the platform. Use images that are relevant to your content and help to break up large blocks of text. Optimize your website for mobile devices by using Wix Mobile Editor. This allows you to customize the layout and design of your website for smaller screens, ensuring that it looks and functions well on smartphones and tablets. Add a call to action to your website, such as a contact form or a button that encourages visitors to take a specific action. This helps to convert visitors into customers and can be placed on multiple pages throughout your website. Use Wix built-in SEO tools to optimize your website for search engines. This includes adding keywords and phrases to your page titles, descriptions, and headings. Use keywords relevant to your content and target audience to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. Finally, test and launch your website. Wix allows you to preview your website before it goes live, so make sure to test all of the links, forms, and functionality to ensure that everything is working as expected. Once you are happy with your website, click the Publish button to make it live and available to the public. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking Wix website that effectively communicates your brand and message to your target audience. Remember to keep your website up to date and fresh by regularly adding new content and making updates to the design and layout.